Hey y'all, so today I'm going to be showing you how I do a pretty bronzy eye using the new eyeshadow duo from Subtl Beauty. So today I'm going to be using the Sunset Duo, both the matte and the shimmer shade. First, I'm just starting out with the matte, which is a pretty rusty color, and I'm putting that all in my crease, and I am using the dual-ended retractable brush from Subtl as well, which is really nice for blending out colors in your crease and placing colors all over your lids as well. So I'm just gonna make sure I blend that out. You really can't mess this step up, so just blend it out until it just looks pretty seamless and nice. Now I'm just gonna be using a little bit of the Dune matte shade, just a tiny bit in my crease here on the outer corner, just to add a little bit of extra depth and dimension to the look. I'm always one looking for like a little bit of a smokier eye, a little bit of more definition. So I'm always using Dune and adding it to my eyeshadow looks, no matter what look I'm going for. So then after I blend that out, I am going to be using my finger, and I'm going to use the shimmer shade in the Sunset Duo and just place this all over my lid. So again, this is something you can't really mess up. Just place it all over. You just want to even layer and blend it up into your crease a little bit, but not too far up. And I haven't even blended it yet. It already looks so nice and it gets such good color payoff. This is such a pretty color to wear for spring and summer. And so now I'm just gonna take the fluffy end of the brush again and just blend it a little bit just to make sure everything is pretty seamless. I am gonna add 2 coats of mascara. You could definitely wear lashes with this look if you want to. But I really just want the eyeshadow to stand out, so I'm not gonna put lashes on. I'm also gonna skip eyeliner for this look as well. I just want my eyeshadow to stand out. I want it to be the main attraction here. But I'm not done with eyeshadow just yet. I'm gonna take a little bit of the Nectar shimmer shade and I'm gonna put that on the high points of my cheeks and use it as a highlight. I really like these eyeshadows because they're kind of multi-purpose. I feel like you could use the matte shades as a little bit of a blush if you wanted to. They're so nice and pigmented, and this golden shade is so pretty for a highlight for us brown girls. I definitely think you guys should try it out. So that is about it for my look today. I'm just finishing off adding some extra eyeshadow into my inner corner. But yeah, I think this look came out really pretty. It's a really nice summery look that's easy to do. So I hope you guys enjoyed that, and hopefully I will see you next time.